Hello, everyone. My name is Abby Ingram. Currently, I work for UPMC and I'm a service coordination supervisor for long-term services and supports. We set up services for individuals under a community health choices waiver. I think the biggest thing that I hope to get out of this class is some insight to deal with and handle and support our participants who are dealing with all types of grief, bereavement, and mourning. Um, Perhaps it's loss of a certain level of independence. Um, Perhaps it's having to deal with needing services in the home, people coming into your home every day, losing that lack of privacy along with the independence. Those are certainly things that I believe people would be in mourning over. I know that I would be. So one of the reasons I also think that this course is going to be relevant to my future career, and especially right now, this is really a perfect time for this class. We have so many of our participants actually do live in nursing homes as well, and we provide either transition services to get out of the nursing home or oversight to make sure that our participants are getting their services delivered appropriately in the nursing facility. So we are dealing with a lot of grief right now, a lot of loss. We have many people positive for COVID-19 on our caseloads at this time. So, we've lost participants. So, not just helping the family members of our participants to deal with some of this, but also to help each other. I think about, several of my staff who have lost their participants to COVID in the last several weeks. And it's been really difficult. These are, long-term participants on your caseload that you've built a rapport with, you know about their families, their goals, their wishes. So these are some big losses that, myself and my staff are going through at this time. And even past COVID, the aged population that do take up much of our population in long-term services and supports is certainly an area that we will continue losing people, unfortunately. So I'm really excited though to take this class. I think that it's going to be one, build off of the elective that I took in undergrad that was also grief, bereavement, and mourning. And it's just going to propel me further into being able to deal effectively with situations in which people are experiencing some type of grief or loss. Thank you, and I look forward to getting to know everyone.